Hello, my name is Mario Chapo, and the careers that I'm currently interested in are radiology. And at first, I was also interested in architecture, but after I gave it some thought, I switched back to radiology because I realized that it's just something that caught my attention more. And a couple things that I'm hoping to gain from this course are just really the a firm understanding of biology, and I understand that in the career that I'm going into, that being radiology, there's a lot of science behind it, and I feel like this course can help me learn a lot of the things that I'm going to probably need to know. And some of the things that are intimidating or confusing about this course, um, there's nothing I really at the moment that I really find intimidating or confusing. However, I do feel like there is going to be a learning curve because I've never had to do lab assignments in college. Is going to be my first class where I have lab assignments, and basically keeping up with all the pre-lab and post-lab assignments. I feel like that's definitely going to be there's going to be a learning curve to that. Um, and at the moment, I do not have any other questions I would like to share. Thank you.